Every day, millions of people with high blood pressure unknowingly worsen their condition. How? Through simple daily habits that silently raise their risk of heart attacks, strokes, and kidney failure. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is often called the silent killer because it shows no symptoms, but its causes can be surprisingly routine. Let's explore 6 common habits that can push your blood pressure dangerously high. First, smoking. Every cigarette constricts blood vessels and raises pressure instantly. It also reduces oxygen in the blood, forcing your heart to pump harder. Second, alcohol consumption. Moderate to heavy drinking not only affects liver and brain function, but also destabilizes blood pressure by weakening blood vessels. Third, lack of physical activity. A sedentary lifestyle means your heart becomes weaker over time. Regular movement helps your arteries stay flexible and reduces pressure. Fourth, high salt intake. Processed foods, canned soups, fast food, they're all loaded with sodium. Excess salt leads to fluid retention, increasing the pressure inside your arteries. Fifth, unmanaged stress. Chronic mental tension releases stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which tighten your arteries and quicken your heartbeat. Sixth, poor diet choices. Refined sugars, saturated fats, and caffeinated energy drinks overstimulate your system and lead to long-term cardiovascular damage. By cutting out these habits and adopting a healthier lifestyle, fresh foods, physical exercise, hydration, and relaxation, you can lower your blood pressure naturally. Take charge of your health today. Your heart will thank you tomorrow.